So what about Royal Cyber?
Yeah, fantastic team. Raul Cyber, fortunately, they have a bit of an accelerator for a very important component of the OMS.
Hi, I'm Lamia Zrer, Partner Sales Executive at Royal Cyber, and here with me is Raul, CIO and Head of eCommerce at Wildfork. So Raul, tell me a little bit about Wildfork.
Yeah, Lamia, Wildfork is, you can think of it as a protein destination. It's where you would get frozen meat and seafood. The brand exists in Brazil, Mexico, US, and Canada. We have retail stores across these countries. In the US, we have about 62, and we are growing to about 250 in the next 4 years. We also have an e-commerce business, and we ship and deliver to pretty much the continental United States.
Oh, that's really nice. So when it comes to e-commerce, your recent implementation was with Commerce Tools. Tell us a little bit about your experience with Commerce Tools.
Yeah, we were on a monolith prior, and we had to modernize it. The choice was very clear that Commerce Tool, a MACH Alliance leading platform. We've been on the platform for about 2 years now. It's been really good. Commerce Tools unlocks so much for us in terms of agility, right? There's a lot of new features and things that the business wants, and the microservices approaches really allow us to bring to market very quickly a lot of these business asks. It's also allowed us to organize the teams a little bit better as well. But it's been an incredible platform for us, and we're excited that we have the right platform to scale.
Oh, that's really great to hear. So what about Royal Cyber? How was work with, Royal Cyber team, and how's the implementation for you and the experience in general?
Yeah, fantastic team, right? We, as part of our re-platform, there's an element in the commerce stack called an OMS, an order management system, that's behind the scenes. And it's fairly complex, and to re-platform that would have taken us, could take us years, right?
Yeah.
Raw Cyber, fortunately, they have a bit of an accelerator for a very important component of the OMS. It's a component that our customer care team uses. We've got about 30 or so customer care agents. And this particular customer care feature, we had to remove from our old OMS. And Raw Cyber, they have a bit of an accelerator. It's called a CSA app. The team was able to kind of get us up and running fairly quickly. Now our customer care team, when they're processing requests for refunds or canceling orders or editing orders or replacement orders, it's all done through the app now. I think without the app, it would have taken us considerably longer to develop it. Yeah.
Oh, it's great to hear. And also, we would like to thank your team for the collaboration. It was very smooth, and they make every step very easier and easier. Thank you so much, Raul, for your time. And
Not a problem.
very happy to collaborate with you.
Awesome. The team has been awesome. Thank you.